I trade the markets primarily to make money, and because you can trade from anywhere, it gives you total freedom. You learn a strategy, you implement it, and you start to make money. Great feeling, real elation, because you put the hard work in and now you're seeing the results. A successful trader needs to be disciplined, needs to have developed good habits in trading. You need to follow a trading plan. Don't deviate, the rules, and stick to them. Learn the strategies and become good at one or two strategies. Don't scattergun, one or two markets, one or two strategies. Then I would say risk management is key. You've got to apply the risk management rules and stick to them, and that will keep you trading long term. Trading is a way of life that will give people freedom and choices that they can make, and we live in a very, very uncertain world, and to be able to be independent and do something that doesn't require you're not slave to a boss is really life-changing. So for me it's all about continuing on the road, and long may trading college continue.